The Nurture Retreat is here because I think it's just what I need. It's what I need to offer, and it's what I need myself. I need nurturing and self-care this winter, and I want to spend one day in a Nurture Retreat. And it's an online self-care and rug hooking retreat where we'll be focusing on the pattern that we'll be using is a Woman in the Moon pattern that I've created especially for you. And we'll be talking about women and creativity and responsibility and self-care. And we'll be working with Stephanie Allen, who is the practitioner that I have used for many years to help me with my own self-care. And I want to share that with you. You can register now. It's one day only at the Nurture Retreat at hookingrugs.com. I'm Deanne Fitzpatrick, and I welcome you to join me for a day of self-care and rug hooking. Nurture Retreat 2026, one day, February 28th.